Buckle up. We're diving into the heart of extreme logging, insane automatic firewood processors that defy logic, chainsaws that scream through wood. This is the ultimate rush you've been waiting for. Are you ready? The Easton-made 60C. It's like something out of a lumberjack's dream. Imagine a machine with a 115 horsepower diesel engine that can split logs as long as a school bus. And it does it all with this super cool auto cycle splitter. Plus, get this, there's a comfy operator's cab with heat, AC, and a radio. It's like the ultimate tree to firewood command center. I mean, who wouldn't want to operate this beast? Oak's always been a killer firewood, but splitting it is a total pain. That's why this machine is a lifesaver for all you oak-burning fanatics. Just check out how much it can do. You're gonna want one for sure. You're out in the woods, first thinning operation, and your trusty old harvester is chugging along. But what if I told you there's a new machine out there that's like the old one but on steroids? That's the HR46 for you. It's got this bigger, beefier pump, 135 cubic centimeters, can you believe it? Which means it sips fuel like a fine wine instead of guzzling it down. And get this, it works smarter, not harder, at a lower engine speed. Less wear and tear, more savings. It's like upgrading from a flip phone to a smartphone. Intrigued? I sure am. Well, let me introduce you to something amazing, the Woodpecker RP300. Imagine a machine that can devour logs up to 20 centimeters thick and turn them into perfect firewood, sized just the way you want, between 20 and 50 centimeters. Isn't that wild? Safety's a big deal too, with a special switch to stop everything in a flash and covers to keep you out of harm's way. I was really impressed with this log splitter at first sight, but in operation,
know that it went quite as far or hit quite as hard.
Now, imagine the challenge of bringing one of these giants down, not on some flat, easy ground, but on the wild, unpredictable slopes of California. Can you picture that? It's like a real-life action movie. We're talking about navigating steep hills, tricky terrain, and making sure this giant falls exactly where we want it. How cool is that? It's a test of skill, precision, and let's be honest, it's pretty thrilling. This, folks, is standard procedure for smoke jumpers, professionals trained for rapid response in high-risk wildland fire scenarios. It's efficient, it's precise, and it's what keeps our communities safe.
Nice! Heads up! Nice! Woo!
Stump? What Stump? The Deutz-Fahr Agrotron TTV 630 with its 203 horsepower just laughs at him. Tired of stump removal nightmares? Problem solved. This is the power you've been waiting for. You think you've seen it all? Ha! This lumberjack's about to turn the world of tree felling upside down. Literally. He's throwing the rulebook out the window and going rogue. What's he doing? I'm not even sure, but I can tell you, it's going to be wild. Keep your eyes glued to the screen because trust me, you're in for a shock. This is not your grandpa's lumberjack show. This is something else. He seems to be a rebel, but there's a plan here. I think this underscores the importance of assessing a tree's condition. A thorough understanding of its health is paramount to safe removal. Imagine this, a seemingly small tree standing alone. But beneath the surface, a hidden world. Its roots delve incredibly deep, anchoring it with surprising strength. You'd need a monstrous 30-ton excavator to even think about moving it. Nature is filled with hidden wonders, aren't they? What a little warrior.
Jetzt hoch jetzt. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Let's dive into the DKS 140. This log splitter is a powerhouse, using a 140mm conical drill powered by a hydraulic system. The high torque it generates effortlessly splits even the most substantial logs and roots. It's remarkably efficient, minimizing manual labor and saving precious time. Its adaptability is a major plus. You can mount it on excavators or standalone hydraulic systems. Built to last with a wear-resistant drill, the DKS 140 is the go-to solution for heavy-duty wood processing. If you need serious splitting power, this is your machine. Ever white-knuckled it through a tight turn? Felt your heart in your throat? These log haulers do that all day, every day, with cargo that could turn their truck into a pancake. Each bend in the road is a test of their skill, a roll of the dice where the stakes are sky high. They earn every inch of the road, and every mile they cover is a testament to their courage and expertise. Can you imagine the pressure? In an era of increasing demand for timber, the industry faces the challenge of efficiency and sustainability. Enter the Ponce-Bear C6 with the H8 harvester head. This dynamic duo addresses these challenges head-on. This combination of a powerful harvester with a high-tech head optimizes the harvesting process, minimizes waste, and maximizes yield. It's the solution the industry has been waiting for. You know, trees are just one of those things that can make a bad day even worse.
There we go. Well, they're pulling, so let's hope for the best, or else my fence is gonna be down. Go, go, run! Well, there goes the fence. I knew it.
There are always unforeseen challenges, hidden vulnerabilities that can derail your progress. So, the solution isn't just about acquiring skills, it's about anticipating potential problems and having backup plans. It's about being proactive and thinking ahead. Wow, just look at the power of that Komatsu D85EX. I mean, I knew dozers were strong, but watching this thing in action is something else. The way it effortlessly pushes tons of earth is incredible. You don't realize the sheer force involved in road construction until you see a machine like this up close. Okay, this is blowing my mind. This guy just MacGyvered himself a log-cutting machine with a chainsaw and some spare parts. And it actually works great. This is why I love the internet. You guys gotta see this.
Jump!
This guy, he's living proof that sometimes it's better to be lucky than smart.
You alright?
Yeah.
You clear?
Yeah, I'm good. I didn't think that would uproot like that.
I've seen a lot of wood processing equipment in my time, but the Genshem 593-R is something else. I watched it process wood at an incredible rate, 300 liters an hour. The 1.4 meter intake is a sight to behold. It just gobbles up everything. What impressed me most was how seamlessly it integrated with the 3-axle trucks. It really streamlined the whole operation. I'm telling you, this machine is a game changer. Ever wonder how they get rid of those stubborn tree stumps without making a huge mess? Well, let me tell you about the Groeneveld stump shear. It's like a giant pair of scissors, but way cooler. This thing can slice through a stump like butter, leaving the surrounding area practically untouched. It's a real game changer for anyone dealing with tree removal. This wood chipper is impressive, but I'm curious about the cost-benefit analysis. Fuel ain't cheap these days, so is the output worth the input? What do you all think? Let me know in the comments. You're clearing land, and you have a ton of massive logs. This SS524 is designed for those big jobs. It attaches right to a skid steer, which means it's not just a splitter. It's a mobile wood processing unit, and it's got a 36-inch stroke. Picture turning those giant logs into manageable firewood with ease. This splitter isn't just about muscle. It's about transforming a daunting task into something quick. How cool is that? Let me introduce you to the Ryobi 40-volt brushless kinetic log splitter, model number RY40740. This beauty packs a massive 12 tons of splitting power, but that's not all. It's a speed demon. How fast, you ask? 10 times faster than your typical hydraulic splitter, with an incredible 2-second cycle time. Can you imagine how much time you'll save? Get this. Ever wondered how we get our wood without wrecking the planet? Enter the Ponce Ergo and H7 harvesting head. I'm here to show you how this bad boy tackles two major issues: efficiency and eco-friendliness. First off, the Ergo. It's built like a tank, but moves like a ninja. Seriously, it's impressive. And the H7? It's like the Edward Scissorhands of logging, precise and quick. Are you guys seeing this? This setup minimizes waste and maximizes yield, which is awesome, right? In logging, time is money, and breakdowns? They're money down the drain. You need a truck that's reliable, that can handle heavy loads in tough terrains without breaking a sweat. That's where the Mack R600 comes into play. It's known for its durability and powerful performance, ensuring those logs get to their destination efficiently and safely. No more worrying about rough terrains or heavy loads. You can almost feel the struggle, the wood spinning relentlessly, only to be caught firmly under the cone. They've intervened and fixed the issue, yet that stubborn wood still insists on spinning. They're stumped. Anyone got a bright idea? Think you're up against a monster task that's basically a tree the size of a skyscraper? Relax. We've got a plan. Enlist your pal in their ridiculous tractor, make a few well-placed cuts, and wham! Timber. See? Smart people always find a way.
Here it goes, and it's going the wrong way. Oh my gosh.
When it comes to tree removal, always consult a certified arborist. Your safety and the safety of your property depend on it. You're out there wrestling with a massive stump and it's taking forever, right? That's where the ransom shark tooth comes in. This thing is a beast, in the best possible way. It's like having a secret weapon for land clearing. This American-made marvel slices through stumps like butter. I was amazed when I first saw it in action. It's kind of fascinating how it works, honestly. tool not only splits the stump but also helps in harvesting, all while keeping the surrounding area neat. It's a whole new ballgame in land clearing. Looks mighty fine from a distance, but you get up close, and you realize it could have gone real bad. Did you know your stunning hardwood floor has an epic origin story? We're talking massive logs being shaped and smoothed by incredible machines and some seriously skilled people. Want to see the magic happen? Get ready to be amazed because the process is way cooler than you'd ever imagine. The Mayho Slicer Dicer, or Wappa Choppa, redefines wood splitting efficiency. Its 48 horsepower industrial Deutz diesel engine powers through 1.2 meter diameter logs effortlessly. A 5.5 second cycle time, splitting logs into 5 uniform pieces, maximizes throughput. Automated in-feed and out-feed conveyors reduce manual labor, enhancing safety and operational flow. Hydraulic braked trailer mobility allows for on-site deployment. This machine is a clear leader for high-volume operations. Seriously? This is like a live-action version of Dumb Ways to Die. Think log splitters are boring? Think again. The HF 800 2-speed is a behemoth that can generate a staggering 15,000 foot-pounds of torque. That's enough power to make even the mightiest oak tree tremble. This machine is not just splitting wood, it's dominating it, one log at a time. Get ready for a wood-splitting revolution. For a second, it looked like SnowRunner. The Pfeiffer Group faced a bottleneck in their material handling process. Their solution? The Senebogen 735E. This machine, with its impressive reach and lifting power, tackles their log handling challenges head-on. By optimizing the flow of raw materials, they've streamlined their entire operation. It's a clear demonstration of how identifying a specific problem and implementing the right technological solution can yield significant improvements in overall efficiency. I hope this video helps people understand how much energy wind-fallen trees can have stored in them. The Ecolog 574F Forwarder, a pinnacle of Scandinavian engineering, is a game-changer for steep terrain logging. Its robust chassis, coupled with a powerful, fuel-efficient engine, ensures optimal performance. What truly sets it apart, however, is the optional synchronized dual winch system. This feature provides unparalleled pulling power and load stability, enabling the efficient extraction of timber on challenging inclines. Dealing with the headache of processing small logs efficiently? Let me introduce you to the HewSaw R 201.1, formerly the R200 Plus. This little beast handles logs with 80mm to 230mm top diameters and zooms through them at up to 700 feet per minute. We're talking high-speed sawing with minimal waste. If you're curious about maximizing your output with minimal fuss, this machine's curve sawing tech is something you've got to see. Picture this, a tractor-operated machine that just keeps going and going, processing logs from 5 centimeters to 30 centimeters in diameter, even those longer than 4 meters. Intrigued? Let's explore this amazing machine together. I'm really impressed with the Growy bundle. Saw 2011. It's definitely a powerful machine. The only thing I'd change is the size of the Stump collection funnel. It needs more capacity. What's your take? the Eschelbach Biber. 82 RBZ coupled with the MAN 480 is a powerful duo. But what really sets this apart is the operator's skill. He's different. You can tell he respects the machine. He doesn't push it too hard, even with that 480 horsepower. He knows its limits and keeps it running smooth, never overloading it. That's the mark of a true pro, someone who understands their tools. That's all for today's wood-fueled mayhem. If you enjoyed the raw power of these machines, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. What machine should we feature next? Let us know in the comments.